Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 20 September. Welcome everyone to our today's session of our regular GK series Today in History, in which today we shall look at some of the memorable events happened on 20 September in history of India and the world, which all of us must know, and we shall look at those events in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. If you see moon, you see the beauty of God. If you see sun, you see the power of God. If you see the mirror, you see the best creation of God. So believe in yourself. Now let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Which ruler of Tughlaq dynasty died on this day in 1388, who had founded several cities around Delhi like Jaunpur, Firozpur, Hisar, Firozabad and Fatehbad? Answer: Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Futuhat-e-Firoz Shahi was his autobiography. Question number 2. Which Indian philosopher and social reformer born on this day in 1911 was imprisoned thrice for his active participation in freedom movement, who had established Gayatri Parivar's headquarters in Shanti Kunj, Haridwar? Answer: Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya. He had solemnized Pandit Madan Mohan Malabya with Gayatri Mantra. Question number 3. Who is theosophist and women rights activist died on this day in 1933, had founded the Central Hindu College in Varanasi and also founded Home Rule League to campaign for democracy in India? Answer: Ani Besant. She came to India in 1893 and founded the Central Hindu College in Varanasi, which was later converted into Banaras Hindu University. Question number 4. Which English newspaper was started in form of weekly on this day in 1878, which became a daily in 1889? Answer: The Hindu. Question number 5. Who started hunger strike against untouchability on this day in 1932? Answer: Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 6. Which Indian film director born on this day in 1948, whose first commercial successful film was Naam, and who is known for films दिल है कि मानता नहीं, गुमराह, क्रिमिनल, हम हेरा ही प्यार के, जिस्म, मर्डर? आंसर: महेश भट्ट. Question number 7. Which Indian Marathi biographical film about Dada Saheb Phalke was selected as India's entry on the Oscars award on this day in 2009? Answer: Harishchandrachi Factory. Question number 8. Which American organization was formed on this day in 1848 with goals of promoting cooperation among scientists, encouraging scientific responsibility, supporting scientific education and science outreach for betterment of humanity? Answer: American Association for the Advancement of Science. Question number 9. who is American novelist born on this day in 1948, is famous for TV series Game of Thrones, based on his novel A Song of Ice and Fire. Answer: George R. Martin. Question number 10. Which year on this day the first train ran from Amsterdam to Haarlem in Netherlands? Answer: 1839. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.